Hi, welcome to Mixed Media Collage, an easy step-by-step guide for beginners. My name is Doris Charret, and I want to thank you for signing up for this class. I'm going to show you how to create a very basic collage painting, and it's just so unique and fun. I started this course basically for my students. Some of them took my class for about 4 times, and so they wanted a reference guide for the steps. And I decided to make this class the very basic start to a mixed media class. And so you can refer to it forever. So if you forget a step, you just look and go back and review it again. So I'm hoping this class lasts you forever. Mixed media is my favorite form of painting. It's just so interesting and so much fun. There's so much variety. I started in watercolor and then I went to acrylics, and I used to use mixed media for a relaxing moment. Just when I was in between series, and slowly mixed media took over. All you need is a few simple materials and a bit of paint and a bit of time, and you can create awesome paintings. What you will learn. You're going to learn all about the tools you need. You're going to learn about brushes, pencils, acrylic paint, painting surfaces, all the basics. You're going to have to learn how to create your own papers. You're going to learn about color families, and I'll explain that a little later. That's a key to creating these paintings. You will learn how to collage the papers onto a surface, how to add photocopy transfers, how to combine the collage, the acrylics, the paint, the transfers, everything together. You're going to learn what archival means and the variety of paintings that you can create using mixed media collage. This is all about me. I have a degree in fine arts. I have a master's degree in art education, and I show a lot. So I have art shows fairly often all over Alberta, Canada, sometimes the States, and you can read that later. So why mixed media? Because it is so interesting. You love the textural qualities. It's just so much fun. There's absolutely no way to make errors with this kind of painting. The worst that can happen is your painting gets a little heavy because you've just collaged so many layers on. And every time you add a layer, you get a different look. You're going to use different techniques: collage, stamping, stenciling. You can do just about anything. But most of all, mixed media is fun, and it's relaxing, and it's a great way to explore the materials. Collage elements have been used in painting for years. Picasso, Matisse, they all used collage, but in small amounts. And gradually, as we got using more and more acrylic paints, it became user-friendly. When you collage materials with oil paints, what happens is the paper starts to disintegrate. So it's important to be careful. But with acrylics and water media, we don't have that problem. So remember that archival means that any paper that is not archival will yellow in time, or any materials that are non-archival will yellow your artwork. So be careful. Really pay attention to what is archival. I'll talk about archival a little bit later again. So this is what we'll do. First, we're doing the introduction. Second, when we get started, I cover the basics. All about pencils, brushes, paint, painting surfaces, how to choose, because quite often it's really hard to choose. And then we finally get to the papers, and we start collaging the papers, and we start adding paint, and we start adding gold, and fixing problems. Then we add photocopy transfers, and those are really fun. We learn about copyright, and I give you lots of hints along the way. So here we go. Let's start.